Hello guys, good evening. It's Monday evening in Hong Kong. I'm going to cook the pork chop tonight. 3 pieces of pork chop and 4 cloves of garlic and 2 pieces of fresh tomatoes and the spring onion. Okay guys, I need to prepare first. Hello guys, welcome back. I've done preparing and I will start now to cook the simple pork chop. I marinated with the pepper and little bit salt and little bit dark sauce and light sauce, and I put some garlic. That one I mash the garlic, and then spring onion, and then the tomatoes. 2 pieces of tomatoes I cut into 4 in 1 piece, and this one I put on the top. Just simple pork chop tonight guys. So now I'm going to put the oil on the frying and I will start to fry now. And add some also for marinating, add some red sugar. Now I start to fry the pork chop. Yeah, with oil. I wait the oil for become hot. Now add the sauce so that later we'll get you can turn over. Turn over. Should be a big fire. 7. Wow. Hello guys, it's okay now. Need to cut later. And the next I fry is the tomatoes. Look at it's good smell. The garlic. So you need to fry the tomatoes. Now you have to put some little bit salt like that so that have some taste. Yeah. And little bit sugar. A bit mess guys. A little bit mess. I need this kind of. You need this. Better to separate this one. Better so that the meat it won't be hard. And then you need to use this one, guys, for you need the plastic. To cut the pork chop. Yeah. Cut the pork chop with knife. If you cut the pork chop, you cut with the cross line like that. Yeah, still hot. Still hot. Now the tomatoes is done fry. One broken. And the chong or the spring onion and a bit still blanch. Yeah. Then put back the pork chop that I sliced. You can add little bit ketchup so that not dry. A bit ketchup. Not too much, guys. Just okay. Plate for putting the pork chop. And stand. You see? Yeah. Now arrange then this one you can put in here so that you'll nice like decoration. jasmine. Ayan. Kung marami tayong tomato, then, oh, it's broken. Broken. It's not. I should not put that. Oh, exactly. Oh, yeah. And put on top this one. Yes. Now guys, it's done cooking and I arrange on the plate now. I use the plate with a flat plate. Look at this. The meat is a soft, not hard one. And exactly only the taste, not sweet, not salty. And a little bit juicy, the tomatoes that I fried. Look at this guys. So yummy, and my simple pork chop. Yan. Yes. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you like it. My simple pork chop with fried tomatoes. Thank you. Good night.